Hi, Pat here. I got a Pioneer 8-track player model HR99. They made these around 1975. And this one is quite dirty. The top's pretty blemished. The veneer is pretty well shot. And pop a tape in. I get the track light, but I get no lights behind the meters. Counter ain't changing, I'm sure the belt's broken. And that's kind of working. I'm sure it needs to be cleaned up. So, let's pop the cover off and take a look at the inside. I got the cover off. And I do have a tape in at the moment. As you see, the motor is spinning. The counter, that's jammed up, it's not moving. Take a look at that. And ain't no lights on the meter because it's a broken tape here. I hit record, push the tape in, then the meter lights come on. So they only come on when you're recording. And I got inside here and I cleaned all these switches. And there's 2 pods up here. And around over here, see if I get a shot at it. Right in there. So play record switches, always a problem. I got in there, cleaned them good. Right now, I got this counter out. And it's just stiff, it doesn't want to turn. So, things I hate to tear down, but I'm going to tear it down a little farther, see what I can do. I took this counter apart. This part's turning fine. I don't know if that could be the problem, but I cleaned it up. Let's get it back together. The problem I found was this little gear was cracked and some of the teeth were clogged up. So I scraped everything clean, put a little crazy glue on it, and pop it back on to see what happens. I do hook up to the stereo, and it does play. And it sounds good. I still ain't got that counter working right. And even though there's light lit up behind it, you can barely see it. And that's still giving me troubles. Still ain't got the 4 lights. So I have to dig in a little deeper. I do a little more cleanup. I got right in here, it's the channel changer there. I use a little fader lube in there. It cleans as well as lube. I shot a little down there, put a little down there and a little down there. Clean things up. And that's right there is for the lights showing what channel it's on. And that piece, I clean those on. And get it back together. I took the front cover off here just because it was easier to clean, and I shined up with this and it came out pretty good. This plastic piece popped right off, and I just used little plastics on that, clean up, and everything should go together nicely. I got it back together. The front's looking pretty good. There should probably be a plastic piece to go around there, but it's missing. Wood sides, the old ones were chipped up, and it's nothing but a flat piece of wood, so I just got another piece of wood. I think this is oak, and put new sides on, and painted the top black. But Everything seems to be working good.
This is it, kid. Sing, my dear, oh, great big talk, talk away.
Slow take, that came out real nice. Thanks for watching the video.